All right, something else worth mentioning is the way these keys go back on, kind of the opposite of what I was mentioning before. Putting them back on is actually much easier with this strip of tape back here because you're just pushing them down. But you actually want to get the blacks in before the ivories, because if you were to put this guy in first, it makes it very difficult to get this guy to fit down here at the bottom. So what you do is pop this guy. You see they actually share the same slot right there, but you'll notice this is actually slightly thinner on some of these versus here where two white keys are together. So you pop this guy in, he's in there, and then you pop this guy in another. And I haven't put any of the springs on yet, I'm going to do that last. But just keep doing that. Put the black, well, actually we're two whites next to each other here, so pop these two, well, that guy, get this guy lined up, get the black, pop it in, pop the white. Nice and easy.